see you. You speak English.
Merci, madame.
Now we're starting the second wave of our distributions. As you can see here, we have many people who've come from all over the neighborhood and the community to receive 25 kilograms of rice. So they're dividing up the rice, the 50K bags of rice, and they'll be taking them home. And this will last them for about 2 to 3 weeks. So we'll be doing this every day for the next 2 weeks. And we're trying to target at least 10,000 people a day. And over the next 2 weeks, about 2 million people.
People are hungry.
Yes.
Basically, that's the problem. You know, we have some difficulties in some distributions, but we're the Red Cross. We're not using any police, any military, nobody. We're counting on the people themselves to do this, to provide the security for us. So it's a challenge. You know, the people have been through a lot. They've lost a lot. They've lost family members. They're hungry.
That's why it made me mad. That's because some people over there very hungry, looking for their food. They get couple kids in here and they don't find food for them. That's why they food going back in the Red Cross.